Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Flight Simulator. First, select your aircraft from a vast collection, often featuring over 30 different types, from small prop planes to large airliners. Next, choose your departure airport from thousands of real-world locations across the globe. You can then customize the weather, setting it to clear skies for an easy flight or stormy conditions for a true challenge. Get ready to embark on an incredible virtual aviation adventure. Once airborne, mastering the basic controls is crucial. The throttle manages engine power, while the rudder controls yaw, helping with turns and ground steering. Ailerons roll the aircraft, and the elevator controls pitch, moving the nose up or down. Pay close attention to your cockpit instruments, like the altimeter and airspeed indicator, for vital flight data. Consistent practice with takeoffs and landings will significantly improve your piloting skills. For more advanced flying, explore features like the autopilot, which can manage your aircraft's heading, altitude, and speed during longer journeys. Delve into Instrument Flight Rules, or IFR, to navigate safely through clouds and low visibility conditions using only your instruments. Additionally, managing your aircraft systems, including fuel and electrical power, adds a layer of realism, simulating the complexities of real-world aviation operations. The virtual world of flight simulators is incredibly vast, offering over 37,000 meticulously recreated real-world airports to explore. You can fly over famous landmarks, from the Eiffel Tower to the Grand Canyon, experiencing breathtaking scenery from a unique perspective. Join a vibrant community, participate in online events, and even fly with friends in multiplayer mode, sharing your passion for aviation with others around the globe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.